Hello and welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to stop Gmail notifications on Android. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So first thing we want to do is open the Gmail app on your Android device. Then tap the three horizontal lines icon on the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. Then scroll down and tap on Settings. Then tap on the email account you want to turn off notifications for. Then scroll down and tap on the notifications. You can press the manage notifications. And just toggle off the switch next to notifications. And alternatively, you can also turn off notifications for all your Gmail accounts by going to your Android device settings. Just need to open the settings app, then tap on apps and notifications, then find a tab and the Gmail app, then tap the app notifications, then toggle the switch next to notifications to the off position. So following the steps should no longer receive notifications from the Gmail app on your Android device. So I hope that this video helps and you learned something. And if you have comments or questions, can you put it in the comment section below? And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!